Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a flat golf cart tire. Begin by parking on level ground and securing the cart with the parking brake. Turn off the battery disconnect and remove the key for safety. Use gloves and eye protection while loosening lug nuts to prevent injury. Keep tools organized and inspect the wheel well for damage before lifting. Safety first makes the repair faster and less stressful for everyone involved. Lift the cart using a jack with proper capacity, and place jack stands for security before fully removing the wheel. Loosen lug nuts slightly while the wheel is still on the ground to reduce strain. After raising the cart, remove lug nuts and take the wheel off carefully, then inspect the tire sidewall, tread, valve stem, and rim for punctures, cracks, or bends. Document any damage so you can choose repair or replacement with confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more handy tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up a pair of darn tough socks for long days on the course. They feel great and have a lifetime warranty, so you can fix flats without cold feet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Inflate the tire enough to find the leak, then use soapy water to reveal bubbles and mark the puncture location. For small tread punctures, use a plug kit and follow the tool steps, but replace the tire if the sidewall is cut or the rim is severely damaged. After repair or replacement, mount the wheel, hand-tighten lug nuts, lower the cart, and torque the lug nuts to the recommended PSI and manufacturer torque settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.